What are you trying to tell me? Is my wife dead? Did something happen to my wife?
Philip, why are you so these days always in a hurry? Allow your uncle here to finish. Don't put words into his mouth. Now, okay, continue.
Philip, your wife, Angela, is not dead. Angela is really mad. Onny is Yara.
Chelguri, Osi, what did you just say?
Onny Yara. What he's trying to say is that your wife Angela has run mad.
Don't you ever use such atrocious words on my wife again.
No, brother.
Don't use it again.
Please. You know, doctor said I should take things easy. Him and Ara don't be big on brother. Just sit down.
Mommy.
Philip, we do not expect that you will receive this news with happiness. But at this moment, ask yourself, what do I and your uncle and here stand to gain by telling you lies? Why? What? What? Okay, see, perhaps let him continue shouting at me. I am telling you what your sister here and myself, what we saw, and you are shouting, Naba, Baba no? Baba?
Philip. Oh, where's your one? I really make up Angela.
Mama, you. Mama, you believed them. You believed that my wife cheated on me and is mad at the moment? Brother, you guys are joking.
Brother, it is true. I saw her myself. Angela is mad.
I'm sure that the person you saw is Angela. Huh? Yes, Angela might be hospitalized somewhere in this crazy country. Or was still dead.
Philip, wait to begin. Wait to begin. Calm down. What we are talking here is sensitive and must be treated as such.
Yes.
You see, no one outside this war knows what happened to you. Not your wife.
I do not care. I do not care what anyone hears or says. Mban. I have to say this for myself.
Angela is really mad. Onny is Yara.
Even if it's small, it's something. Mama.
Mama, I've lost it. I don't want to eat anything. Food has lost its taste in my mouth. Oh, my Angela cannot be mad. It's not possible. Chukwaju. My Angela.
Philip,
All this hunger and starvation, it won't solve a thing. Nene kania umuri hobo. Biko kene one, please.
Mama, I'll be leaving for Lagos first thing tomorrow morning. I want to go see things for myself. I want to know if Angela is truly mad. Or if this is a bad dream I'll soon wake up from.
Philip. Philip.
Mama.
How many times did I call you? Nam. If you still have value for your wife, protect the little dignity she has left. Leave her in the city. If the villagers get to know about this, it will affect your reputation.
Mama, like I said before, I do not care about what people will say.
Philip, you will care.
Mama, the only thing I care now is my Angela, the woman I love.
Philip, you should care. Do you know what you're saying?
Mama, I'm telling you that I don't want to know.
If this damaging information gets out about your wife and people get to know it, do you know what they would say? That you are not man enough. That's why she cheated.
Mama.
Mama,
the only person I'm thinking of now is Angela. And I have questions that need answers. How was Angela able to raise 12 million naira for my surgery? How was she able to do that? How? I know my Angela. And I am sure and I know that she cannot cheat on me.
Philip, please. No, please. All these questions are irrelevant because the person with the answers is no longer in control of her senses.
Mama, don't, please. Do not call my wife a mad person. Biko, I don't want it. Please, Mama.
I should not call his wife mad. Manona Yala. Hey! Ayaka Mwambanania. He wants to go and bring her or see her. Or where's Bandiala?
Mama, what is it? What is it now? I don't want to miss this bus. What is it?
See, I remembered something. Wait, let me get something for you. Angela gave me this to give you. Ne? I forgot to give you this.
What is this?
I don't know. Angela said I should give it to you. She came the day you left for India, acting strange and tensed. Though she left in a hurry the next day. I gave this to me to keep for you.
I think it's my key. What?
Philly, this leg.
Mama, I've heard. Thank you.
Hey, Ada chokwa no nyala na city. Philly. Hey. Ijoma.
picture is in my heart. When I breathe to you. I hold you so dear in my heart. Every space is occupied with your thoughts, oh my love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I love you, yes, I do. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love.
My love, if you are reading this, it means you survived the surgery and my sacrifice was not in vain. You might have heard about the news of my insanity, but if you haven't, now you have. I did what I did for the love I have for you. I understand the consequences of the choice I made, and I expect you to move on with your life. I made this choice, Phil. It was either this life or sit back and watch you die just like my mom. I couldn't watch you die, my love. It would have killed me anyway. The world needs you. The poor needs their guardian angel, and I couldn't sit back and watch you suffer. I tried everything I did. I tried everything I could to raise the money, but no help was forthcoming. So I had to do the needful and bear the consequences. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. I love you more than life itself. I don't want to live in a world without you, so my sanity was a small price to pay. With love, your angel.
All that matters to me is you, love. Inside of me, I feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe to you.
Baby,
I hold you so dear in my heart.
it was not a choice to make. God knows I will not rest until I find you.
Every space is occupied with your thoughts, oh my love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. Not that I want this, but for your sake, love, I broke the trust you have in me. I had to pay the price, 'cause your world need you most. I love you, yes, I do. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. Inside of me, I feel you. Your picture is in my heart. When I breathe to you. I hold you so dear in my heart. Every space is occupied with your thoughts, oh my love. I don't care what people say. All that matters to me is you, love. I I don't care what people say.
My love, if you are reading this, it means you survived the surgery and my sacrifice was not in vain. You might have heard about the news of my insanity, but if you haven't, now you have. I did what I did for the love I have for you. I understand the consequences of the choice I made and I expect you to move on with your life. I made this choice, Phil. It was either this life or sit back and watch you die just like my mom. I couldn't watch you die, my love. It would have killed me anyway. The world needs you.
I have not set my eyes on you for some days now. Who knows where we will be now? What if you've been knocked down by some reckless drivers somewhere? What if you have been killed by hunger? Where will you be now? Because I know there's a lot of gold out there. What if you're naked somewhere, roaming the street? God. Angela is a nice girl. She doesn't deserve this at all. She doesn't deserve this. God, please. Please. Please take care of her for me, please, Lord. Wherever she must be now. Let's follow it. Let's follow it. Yeah, let's follow it. Okay. Let's follow it. Okay.
Watch from the back.
Let's follow it. Let's follow it.
Should we ask this lady?
No, just stand there. Just stand there. Just stand there. Just stand there.
Just relax yourself. We'll see her. It's always like that.
I don't understand you anymore. Must you kill yourself over that unadulterous woman? Do you want to kill yourself for her?
Hey, don't you ever in your life talk such nonsense about my wife anymore. Don't try it. Obo, no try more. No try more. I beg, move this car. Let's get out of here. Please, don't say such a thing again about my wife. We're talking about my wife here.
I've heard you. It's okay. It's okay. I understand that at this very point now you are not fine. But then, be careful. Be careful.
She's mad. If she's mad, it's none of your business. It's my business. Okay?
It's not just only your business. You are my friend.
Please, it's okay. It's okay.
You should learn how to become your boss down here.
It's me.
Hey!
Yes, it's me, Philip.
Onyoshi!
Philip!
Onyoshi!
Not Onyoshi, it's Philip,
Hey!
your husband.
Hey! I'll shoot you.
I've come to take you home.
Oh my God.
My angel.
I want to see my love. I want to see my love.
My angel, I've come to take you
I'll
home.
shoot you. I'll shoot you now.
Okay, shoot me.
Onyoshi!
Shoot me.
Onyoshi!
My angel,
Thief.
please.
Hey!
Philip, careful, careful.
Onyoshi! I'll shoot you. I'll shoot you.
I'll
shoot you now.
Home, please. I have to take you home.
Onyoshi! Onyoshi!
I have to take you home. Come on, let's go home. It's me, Philip, your husband. It's me, your husband, Philip. My angel. My angel.
Philip! Come and enter the car, let's go. We'll come back next time with professionals who know how to handle people in her condition.
I've lost almost everything, nothing more to lay hand on. Chimogedo come see me joy. Oh, when if I'm mellow, do come with your child. Sanomo chimo. Inozipwaya chimo. Where are you God? Inozipwaya chim. Bia sanomo. Inozipwaya chimo. Batarama seje maka ojumani. Inozipwaya chim.
They are stopped now. Just calm down. There's no. Okay, we'll push. Well, calm down. If you eat, baby will come out. If you okay. Push it. I'll push it. If you eat, I'll push it. If you eat, I'll push it. Okay.
Baby.
Yes, baby.
Mama Kaju.
Eat so baby will eat.
No.
Eat so baby will eat.
No.
Go.
I'm calling Mama Kaju. Mama Kaju.
Calm down.
Hello?
Hello, uncle? Uncle? Hey.
You did not tell me you are going back to Lagos. Anyway, that is by the way. I have important message for you.
Uncle, I'm listening.
The sun has finally set in Eziobodo.
Uncle, sun sets almost every day. What is it?
The great king of Eziobodo has joined his ancestors.
What? Igwe is dead? Oh, may his soul rest in peace.
Yes. The entire council of elders of our clan summons you.
For what? I don't have any hand in Igwe's death.
They want you to be in this community tomorrow unfailingly.
So why the summon?
Oh, you will know when you arrive tomorrow. Philip, listen to me. This is important summon and you must be here tomorrow. I want you to treat this as very important. You must not fail the council of elders.
Uncle, it's okay. I'm busy now. I'll call you back, okay? I'll call you back.
Good. It's okay.
Baby, wait.
Give him a
God, what do I do right now? Should I take her along to the village? Or should I leave her here? In whose care?
Don't cry.
welcome. Brother, no. You go take bread.
Yeah, I go take bread.
Dala, Biako. Dala. Captain Lipstick.
So this is true.
Captain Lipstick. He like lipstick. He like it.
Angela.
He like lipstick.
Hey.
Oh, he like all like it. Money, chaka. Asane, maka. What is the meaning of this? You want to die? Philip, you joke. One now, what is the meaning of this? Bring this woman into my house.
Mama, just keep quiet.
You cannot.
Stop threatening saying that.
You will not.
You like it?
No,
I like you.
What is it? What has come over you? As us in our life. How can you bring a mad woman in your house?
Mama, just calm down. Stop creating a scene here. Please.
Can you get away, man? It's only one. Philip, it's about a woogie. Eh? This is not the reason we ask you to return. Not this. Who does that?
Philip, I want.
Just staying here is a threat to your life.
Mama.
If you eat anything she cooks or sleep with her, you will die, Philip.
Mama, I wasn't.
Eh? Have mercy on my poor heart.
Mama, I wasn't planning on bringing her home until I found a solution. But Mama has asked me to come home. That is urgent. Mama, Aqua Angel.
So?
Aqua Angel.
Eh?
Wait, Chelo, we can joke something. If she's your daughter, will you allow her to roam the street of Lagos homeless? Eh? Mama, we're talking about my wife here, for crying out loud.
Brother, is that why you have to bring her here?
She is no longer your wife. Nothing binds you together. Not in this life again. Let me tell you, Philip. Just staying here is a threat to your life. Ariokpa is a powerful deity. No one that Ariokpa holds bondage that is being released in this life or in the next to come. Solution to what? Pia! Yeah, what to water? If you go to Rime. You like it?
Auntie.
You like it?
So this is true.
Solution to Onyala.
It's okay, let me go and tie her.
Hey!
And go for a meeting. When I come back, I promise to take her away. Are you okay?
To the street. What you are doing is not good. She's a customer. You can't touch.
Please.
Stop what?
Mama, I don't like
I don't want her in my house.
You like it?
You want to bury me first?
This is my wife.
You are my son.
Mama, this is my wife.
You are my son.
And she's my wife.
And you are my son.
I have to take care of my wife.
I have to take care of you.
Excuse me.
I will not agree with that.
What your mama is doing not to the father.
When I asked you to come home, did I ask you to come with the evil woman? Did I ask you to come with a woman with a mark of adultery? Oh, Philip. So you want to destroy our chance of ascending the throne of our forefathers? Is that what you want, Philip? No, Philip. Do you know how many centuries it will take for this same opportunity to come to us? Philip.
What are you talking about? What has my wife and I got to do with the throne?
Oh, you are asking me what this has to do with your wife and yourself? Listen, Umobodo is next in line to become the next king of this community. That is the thing we are talking about.
So, Philip, according to our lineage in Umobodo, our family is the oldest. So, it is our turn to provide the next king.
Bam!
And who is going to be the Igwe?
You see, your father was my elder brother. May God rest his soul. By right, as such, you are the rightful first son of this clan.
Philip, it is only the Okpara, the first son of the eldest family in each community in Eziobodo, can produce the heir apparent. Our elder brother, your father, is no more with us. So you, his son, will be made the next king.
Bam!
What? Me? The king? I don't understand. What's all this? What's going on? Are you trying to say that I will be the next Igwe? Just like that?
Yeah. on my baby.
Don't understand. You!
Philip, yes. Philly, the whole of Umobodo kindred are suddenly behind you. You see why I was shouting that bringing that girl here will be a problem?
Exactly, Ne Philip, exactly. Bringing this woman to this community will hurt you being the next king. Odima. It is not good.
Ichiro, no. Please, what is keeping you people? The elders have been waiting for long, Ichiro.
My fellow chiefs, they will soon be here. You see, Chief Onny and Chief Okezie have gone to bring the Onochireze. They left their houses very early, long even before I started getting ready for this meeting. They may be on their way by now. They're supposed to be coming back. Eh? They may even be close. Eh? Please, let us exercise some patience.
Time is luxury. They should hurry up.
Exactly.
I know very well. But they will soon be here. Eh? Soon as they will be here, they will not be tired.
Ichie Menoko, Emembangba, Emeyalo Dachi.
Wow. Our people are counting on you. Because if you are presented before the council of elders and they reject you, other communities will now present their own heir apparent to take over the throne. Philip, this guy will ruin your reputation.
Philip, the people of Umobodo will not forgive you if you make them miss this opportunity. In fact, you shouldn't have brought the girl here. Mbano. Okwesiro.
Uncle, I've not jeopardized anything yet. So don't make it to look as if I'm rejecting the throne already. I just brought back home my wife to seek for cure for her madness.
Philip, who the gods wants to kill, they first make him deaf. Woman, stop crying and talk to this son of yours. Philip, do you know the last time anyone from this kindred became king in our community? Even our grandfather did not see. So if we make us miss this opportunity, the people of our community will not forgive our family.
Mbano. Mbano.
They will not. The important thing, you are talking about a cure for your wife. Or you have your buy me.
You want to kill me before my time, Philip? Please listen to your uncles. Eh? Never in history has it been heard that anyone got better after being touched by Ariokpa.
Over my dead body will I abandon my wife.
Eh?
Mama, we are talking about Angela here, my wife.
Hey!
Yes, she has offended me. Fine, but I am the husband, I'm the one who she sinned against. And I've forgiven her with all my heart. Do you understand? I would never live to see my wife roaming the street because I'm the only family she has.
Philip, the most important thing for you to do is to follow us and go to the palace and meet the council of elders for the process of insight to begin. Now listen, I want you to put this here. If a new king is not crowned, the late one will not be buried. And every other community is waiting for us to make this mistake. So their heir apparent will come and take over the throne.
Yes.
Or even at Philip.
Then we better put heads together and prefer a fast solution to her problem.
Hey.
I can't be talking about the throne and the kingship while my heart is not at rest. I can do that.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Philip here has not said he will not be king. He has not said that. All he is saying is that we should help him to find solution to the wife's problem. Okwanya?
Philip, so you want to make me a laughing stock in this village?
Shut up, man. Nobody is laughing at you. Nobody. We are talking about solution to the wife's problem. Solution. Okwanya? Rapo. Okezie and myself will help you.
Someone is beginning to say reasons with me. Fine, this is what I want to hear. And Uncle, please tell my mother to let her be. Biko.
No problem. I will talk to her. We shall leave for the palace first. Tomorrow morning we will now reconvene and discuss a way forward. Okwanya?
There is no problem about that. I will go with you.
Nah, Biko, Banuno, Kije change aqua, go and change to a better attire. Makana Yaina, Achokwane Gano, Nuko Bako, Eotago, please just go and change.
I'll be out soon.
We'll get solution to this problem. Okay,
She's in your care until I return. Huh?
Oh no! Yeah. Let me start from here. No.
Ndị Igbo si na agha kara aka ada erikpe n'ụwa mgbụrụ. Ife nwata toro ogo ya ndị be anya ọ bụ ụsa. Ife nwata toro ogo ya bụrụ ụsa. Before you people arrived, we were thinking and wondering if the people of Umobodo we are actually serious and ready for the throne. Manakita Ugebelugo na Mbabu. So the heir apparent is here. So let the ceremony do what? Begin.
My fellow elders, it is with joy in our hearts we present our illustrious son, Philip. You all know him as Omelora of Eziobodo Kingdom. Dikeh, Odogwa ije n'obodo egwu gidigi gadagala afụnwa elotenna daalụ ahụdị mkpa ogologo ime nwoke kwuru n'arụ ya.
Philip, come forward. Oya adịlịghị mma n'eke. Oya adịlịghị mma n'oye. Oya adịlịghị mma n'afọ. Oya adịlịghị mma na nkwọ. Now we are done with this. Let's go to the real matter at hand. The burial of our late Igwe. Now we have Onochireze to carry out the rites passage of our late Igwe. We should make haste to start all preparation immediately without further delay. Wow. Please.
Bema, why are you crying? What is going on? Why is no one talking to me? Where is my wife? Bema, where is my wife? Chidema, where's my wife? Philip,
no, why you Philip? Eh? You have not fully recovered. Do you want to kill yourself because of a wayward wife? Mama,
my question is, where is my wife? Chidima, where's my wife?
Mama.
Mama did what?
Mama removed the bind and opened gate for her to run away.
Why? Mama, why?
Philip! Leave me alone!
Why would Mama send her out this night? She doesn't know anywhere in this village. What if she gets hurt? Eh? If anything happens to my wife, I will never forgive Mama.
Hi, but I'm so sorry for what happened. There was nothing I could do at that moment. If Mama held me while Mama set her loose, they didn't even allow me to follow her. I could have led her to safety. Mama, me again, Mama.
Come.
Enter, let's go. Enter the car. Enter from the back. Hey! Auntie Angela! No.
My love, come. I want to take you home.
Chief!
Okay?
Hi! Auntie, I'm sorry for what Mama did to you. She will never do it again. Come, let's go.
Mama, I want to see my love. Did you see my love?
Yes, your love is here.
No. I want to see my love. I want to see my love.
Okay.
Take me to my love.
Come. Let me take you to your love.
Hey! See my love?
Yes. Let me
See
take
my
you to your love. Okay?
I know your love. He misses you and cherishes you so much.
Hey, Madu. Oh, Chori.
Come, let's go and see.
Mokachi. I want to see.
I'll follow you. I can't wait to see you.
Mama, my love.
We can't wait to see you. Let's go and see.
You see my love? Oh, Chori. Mokachi.
Yes, we'll take you to Omokachi.
My love. Mama, no, I want to see my love.
No, this way.
I want to see my love. What are you?
So you can be this heartless. You sent my wife away from my own house at night? Okay, if Angela were your daughter, would you have used the same energy you used in condemning her?
I have done it. The deed is done. Eh? This woman will bring you death. If I tell you, listen to me.
It's okay, Mama.
What is wrong?
It's your house. You can have it all to yourself. Okay? No problem.
What's your house?
No problem. Mama, since I am not needed here, my wife is not needed here also.
Eh?
Yes, we'll be going back to the city first thing tomorrow morning till I find a cure to this madness.
There is no cure to her madness, and you're not going anywhere. Eh? You still have a lot of things to do. The whole Umuna is counting on you.
To hell with Umuna and the whole chieftaincy stuff. Mama, I do not want again because my wife is not needed there too.
What is your problem? I'm getting making it see. Eh? She knew the consequences of her actions. I asked and you said you explained to her how I love my works. Philip, your father will be turning in his grave.
Whatever Angela did was against me, not the community.
Oh, see?
Yes, Mama. I took an oath with my wife, not with the community. If I chose to forgive my wife, Angela, Mama, why should Ini Edo stand in my way? Why?
We are not talking about forgiveness. We are talking about the deed. Philip! Not this door, you open it again. Eh? The heedless light follows the gods to the grave. Philip! You will come and convince me. Osman and Jebe. Eh? Hey! Philip, you are not going anywhere. You see this compound? You will not leave this compound with that mad girl. Never! She will not kill you for me. Oh, but must not get me. Let me tell you. Eh? Hey! Wait.
Go on.
You want to kidnap me?
No.
You're a kidnapper.
No, I'm
you want
not.
to kidnap me?
I want to dress you.
No.
Baby,
no.
wait. It's me, baby. Wait,
No.
okay?
No.
Hold on.
No.
Hello? Yeah, hello?
Hello, Mr. Philip.
Yeah, who's this?
This is Godwin.
Oh, Godwin. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I lost my phone and every contact in it.
I heard about the accident. How are you doing now? I've been searching for you. I've been to your shop countless times and I found it locked.
My brother, there's nothing there in the shop to sell again. You know, I've just lost everything. I'm just trying to better my life, so I don't know what to do with my business.
You haven't lost everything, Philip. As a matter of fact, I've been calling you to let you know that your containers have been released.
What? My goods have been released? When?
I mean, your wife. She didn't tell you. It's been over a month now.
Wife?
Yes. She gave one Alhaji my number. He contacted me and asked me to go meet the Controller General. I mean, with his card. When I got there, before I could say Jack Robinson, your containers were released.
Alhaji. Sweet Alhaji.
Who?
Oh no, I'm just as shocked as you are. My wife has not been fine. She has not been feeling fine, and it's not been too long I came back from India for my surgery. You know, I will send my boy to you so he will help to offload the goods. Meanwhile, thank you so much.
You should be thanking your wife. And talking about your wife, how is she? The Alhaji later called and was asking me if I have her contact. That the one she gave him wasn't going through anymore. Though I told him I wasn't having it, that even yours wasn't connecting.
Yeah, she lost her phone too.
Oh, okay. Please try to reach me as soon as you get into town.
It's okay, I'll do that. Thank you so much.
It's okay, it's nothing. Huh? Take care of you. Bye.
Let me finish cooking for my love so that you can go and tell my love that I cook jollof rice. Okay? Jollof rice. Hey, it's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Yeah. Take. You tell my love that I make jollof rice. He likes jollof rice. Take. Hey! Thief! Moshi! Ogologo. Hey! Omokachi. Sorry. Take. Oh. You like it, yeah?
Sweet.
You like it, yeah? I like it, yeah? I like it, yeah?